If you're watching this video, that means you just got an alert for this strategy. So here's a quick breakdown of the strategy to help you make a decision on whether you want to get in or not. First of all, let's verify that you're in the right place. So that alert should be for ARK BTC, and we should be on the 1 hour chart. Now, if you're in the right place, let's go down and see how this strategy has performed. So this strategy has had a net profit of 344.22% over the last 409 trades. We've been profitable 42.79% of the time. Now, because our stop loss is set at 3% and our take profit is set at 5%, that means that we're able to have a winning percentage of 42.79% of the time and still have a net profit of 344. One thing to be mindful of is we do have a max drawdown of 53.97%, so be very careful of that. For this strategy, you can expect to be in a trade on average 19 bars. Since this is a 1 hour chart, that means that you'd be in this trade on average of 19 hours. So that's something to really think about depending on how long you feel comfortable being in a trade. Some people like being in and out of a trade really quick, and some don't mind waiting a little bit longer. Now, all I can say about this strategy is that it's a breakout strategy. As soon as price turns around and starts going up, we take the position and wait for price to keep going farther. So I hope this is enough information for you to make a decision. Remember, like I always say, don't rush, don't let your emotions decide for you what you're about to do, and there will always be another signal coming just around the corner.